So by now you should already have some sort of a website happening. Hopefully you've got a bit more information and a few more images. So this time we're going to learn how to create some links. Now first we need a page to link it to. So we've got, what's going on with my page? Okay, so we've got here what is cyberbullying, how to get help, and how to recognize the signs. But first of all, we need to have an actual page to link it to, because if we're trying to link it to another part of our website, which is another page, if we haven't created that page, we need to do so. So let's create a new file. So up the top where it says Dreamweaver, if you're not on Dreamweaver, click on the page and go File New. Again, we create a new HTML. Click Create and you should see a blank page. Again, you insert the same kind of table. So insert table, 1 row, 1 column for the banner, 0 pixels border thickness, table width 1000. Okay, so again, clicking on the outside of your table, insert table, and this time I've got 3 columns for the banner, for the links. And again, click on the outside of the table, insert table. This time I'm going to have 2 columns for my images and text. And I want to be consistent across all pages. So essentially my page should look the same across all 3 pages with minor differences of images and information. So again, have the cursor on the outside of the table, insert table, and I'm putting in my last row, and essentially that looks just like we made on the first page. Okay, so again I insert my banner, insert image, making sure that my banner is still within my web page folder. Click open, click OK, click OK. And then I have all my links. Now what you could do is now you should have 2 pages. So the first page you created and the second page, which we haven't actually labeled. Let's now save that page. So file, save as. Really important you click save as. And it goes into your 7com folder, then into your website folder. I'm going to call this page, What is Cyberbullying? Okay, now I'm going to, and you can see that I've done that. Now I'm going to actually, it's being funny and highlighting that middle paragraph for some reason. Okay, so now I'm just going to add in the same links that I added in before. So click on the inside of the table, and where is my properties menu? Okay, for some reason I'm not within that table. Something funny is happening. Okay, there, I'm back there now. And click page properties, and I want to home my font. I think I selected, was it 14 before? Text color was black. So everything needs to be the same, and the background color was a eyedropped color from the cyberbullying banner. Click OK. All right, now we go back here, we create the same links. What is cyberbullying? Oh. And the next one, what was it again? It was how to get help. And the last one was how to recognize the signs. And you can see that it's all sort of reformatted itself as to how much text you have. Now you can, again, just click on the columns themselves and try and center them a little bit more so that they're even, but that's fine tuning in the end. So again, we make sure everything's the same. So I'm just going to click and highlight that text. And I'm going to go page properties. Oh, sorry, I'm going to go right click. And we're going to click align, center. And we're going to make that bold. Okay, so essentially I do that to all of the links again, but I'm not going to do that now. So this time I'm just going to show you how to actually create a link. Now, for some reason my links just keep highlighting in that wonderful highlighting table. What I want you to do is click, and I'm sorry I'm using a trackpad so it's a little bit tricky, is click and highlight what is cyberbullying. Okay, now we go to right click and we want to create a link. Make link. And again, you have to have that second page saved because you need to link it to that page. So we're going to select the file, what is cyberbullying, which we've just created, which is here. Okay, now we are on our home page, which means we are in light grey. Okay, we're going to click open, and now that has created a link. Now obviously the link has changed colours, as you can see. If you want more specific colours, you click and highlight, click page properties, and click links. Here you can actually change the link colour. So I actually want my link to be, what's going to show up on green? Maybe a white. And then the visited link, I want it to be, let's make it pink because it'll actually stand out from the background. Click OK. Okay, so now that link there is white. Okay, when you go into preview in Safari, okay, which is just up here, I'm going to save pages to the index, save. It will bring up my page. If I now click on the link, it should take me to my second page, which I actually haven't saved the updated version of. So I should actually save that first. File save. So now if we go to File, Preview in Safari, click on what is cyberbullying, and you get to pretty much the page you've created and saved. Now obviously that needs a lot of fine tuning and it does take a lot of time, and what's going to take a lot of time is you researching the information. So you really need to get on to the importance of summarizing information from a number of websites about your topic. So you need to get on and decide on your topic, be specific about your topic within one of the big topics I've given you to choose from. So if you choose music, you could choose guitar, or you could choose brass instruments, or whatever it might be that interests you. And essentially, I've covered the basics of Dreamweaver. So we've done creating a table, inserting a banner, typing in text and changing the properties of your text colors and things by clicking on page properties and appearance in here, changing font sizes, text colors and backgrounds colors. We've also looked at creating a link. So right click, creating a link, right click, aligning everything, and also changing the color of your links. Okay, so we've covered a fair bit of information. Hopefully that's enough to get you guys going, and you can work on that and work on polishing your banner and polishing your information. Thanks, bye.